To begin, try the universal repair method. Turn off the printer. Then, unplug power cord from the back of the machine. Wait a minute. The brother machine can be powered off for up to approximately 60 hours without losing faxes and memory. Then, reconnect the power cord back into the machine. Press the on-off button on the control panel, and check if the error has disappeared. If the control panel continues to display the error code, it means that there is a mechanical malfunction somewhere, and you have to disassemble the machine. Or at least you have to remove the side panel. That is not so difficult. There are instructions for several machines in this channel. This error could be due to the main motor or, if you are lucky, the connection with the motherboard. The connection between the motor and the main board is this flat cable, but the position could be different. If you are not sure which is the flat cable, you can check them all. Remove the cable. These are the contacts. Clean the contacts using alcohol. This often solves the problem. You can try to straighten them. Be careful. They are very fragile. Reconnect the cable. If the error code persists, it could be a motor problem. This is the motor. If damaged, the only solution is to replace it. Remember that a bad cartridge or a drum that does not rotate properly can trigger a motor error. The problem could be the power supply, or the main board. The manual says it could be even the fuser unit, or the connection between main board and fuser unit. Check all the connections on the main board. Good luck!